Hi everyone! Today a little video to explain to you what is androgenic alopecia and how it works. Like, why do you lose your hair? I think this kind of content is really important because on the market there are a lot of people that are trying to sell you some random and magical pills or some serum that you could put on your scalp or something that you could do like for 6 months to regrow your hair. And I think that if you have a good understanding of what is this problematic of androgenic alopecia, you will be less sensitive to this kind of thing that are a huge lack of hope, energy, and sometimes also money. So androgenic alopecia is the same thing for men and women. So if something is not working for men, it will also not work for women. So always ask yourself, will this thing work on a bald man? If the answer is no, it will also not work on you. So we have in our body, male and women hormones. Like men have male and women hormones, and we have male and women hormones when we are women. So the follicles, the hair follicles, when you have androgenic alopecia, are a bit too sensitive to male hormones that are dihydrotestosterone. It's a derivative of testosterone. So as a woman, we also have this hormone. And when this hormone goes to the follicle receptors, it activates these cycles. And the problem in androgenic alopecia people is that the receptor is a bit too sensitive. So it will activate more cycles and cycles and cycles. And instead to have the maybe 25 cycles through your whole life, maybe you have the 25 cycles before it's dead in 10 years. And this is why at 30 years old, I'm 36 now, but you have your follicles that are completely dead, kaput, K-O, knockout. No, I don't know if it's the word, but when the follicle is dead, you will not reanimate, I think, the follicle. Maybe you should check this information, but I think when it's dead, it's dead. So this is why when we have androgenic alopecia as a man or as a woman, we lose our hair more quickly than other people. It's like if we are aging more quickly, like Benjamin Button, but in the opposite way. So it's really, really important to understand that this is why it's really difficult to fight androgenic alopecia because it's something that is completely physiological. A bit, there is a part of genetic. It's like aging. If you want to fight aging, you will lose. And it's the same with androgenic alopecia. There is some treatment like Rogaine, or you can put some lead on your head, but it's something that you have to do your whole life, because if you stop, the process will continue, and even if you don't stop, the process is still here. So this is why I found a solution that is for me more effective, that is Hair Topper. So this is autumn leaves from the website. And with all the medicines in the world, I would not find this density back. If a medicine is giving to you this density back, it was because you didn't have androgenic alopecia. It was something else. Because when the follicle is dead, the follicle is dead. So you will not grow a normal hair density with any medicine, unfortunately. If it would work, trust me, we would all, I think, put Rogaine and other stuff on your head every day. And if something was working effectively, you would not see any bald men or bald women like me on the street. If something is effective one day, trust me, we will all be aware about this new medicine. So I hope that you liked this video, and if you want more content about alopecia, hair powder, hair topper and wigs, don't hesitate to subscribe to the Comme un Diadème YouTube channel. Comme un Diadème means like a tiara, because it's like a tiara. I'm like a princess now. It means like a tiara in French. So if you want more informative content about alopecia and hair loss solutions, don't hesitate to subscribe. And you can also DM me on Instagram or via the contact form on the website or via WhatsApp if you want some help to choose the best piece for you. So see you soon in my next video.